This is Rupesh Kumar, lecturer in ECE of Government Polytechnic Narayankhed, and dealing with the subject 4th semester triple for triple students, Digital Electronics, subject code 18EE4050C, topic Basics of Digital Electronics, subtopic Writing Expressions, De Morgan Laws Application. Next, teaching aids use is PowerPoint and animation. Okay. Next, on completion of this period, you would be able to learn, state and explain De Morgan's theorem, simplify the expressions using De Morgan's laws, write Boolean expressions for the given statement. Here, on completion of this period, you would be able to learn, state and explain the De Morgan laws, simply the expressions using De Morgan laws, write Boolean expressions for the given statement. We have so far discussed about the basic gates, universal gates and XOR gates. We have so far discussed about the basic gates, universal gates and XOR gate. Next, types of logic gates. Logic gates are changed into three types. They are basic gates, universal gates and derived gates or complex gates or special gates. Basic gates are again divided into three types. They are OR, AND and NOT. And universal gates are divided into two types, NAND and NOR. Derived gates, special gates or complex gates are divided into two types, that is XOR and XNOR. Logic gates are divided into three types. They are basic gates, universal gates and derived gates, complex gates or special gates. Basic gates are divided into three types, OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Universal gates are divided into two types, NAND gate and NOR gate. Derived gates, complex gates are divided into two types, that is XOR gate and XNOR gate. XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay. Here, proof of De Morgan's theorem. Some problem is there. I will inform you the De Morgan's first law. First of all, you must make a note of it. It is the most important one. What is meant by De Morgan's law? Please make a note of it. De Morgan's law. Okay. Here De Morgan's proposed two types of laws. De Morgan's first law and De Morgan's second law. Okay, you write the first law, De Morgan's first law. I will inform you the definition of the De Morgan's first law. That first law is A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. That is A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. De Morgan's theorem represents the two of the most powerful laws in Boolean algebra. Please write it in your notebook. It is not clearly shown in the slide. That is, De Morgan's law theorem represents two of the most powerful laws in Boolean algebra. The complement of a sum is equal to the product of its complements. Thus, this is illustrated by truth table. The complementation of a sum is equal to the sum of product of its complements. This is illustrated by truth table. Okay. Here I have shown the truth table for the De Morgan's first law, that is A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. First of all, I will inform the statement for the first law, that is the complement of the sum is equal to the product of their complements. Okay, complement of the sum is equal to the product of their complements, that is A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. Here we have taken two inputs AB, input variable, that is we have 4 input, that is 2 power 2 equal 4, that is 0 1 2 3. 0 means 0 0, 1 means 0 1, 2 means 1 0, next 3 means 1 1. Okay. If we take 0 0 as the input for a plus b, that is equal to 0. That is for 0 1 it is 1, for 1 0 it is 1, for 1 1 it is 1. For a plus b bar we get the value a plus b is equal to 0 means 1, 1 means 0, next 1 is 0 and 1 is 0. For RHS, that is a bar, it is complement of a, and b bar it is complement of b. That is for 0 it is 1, for 0 it is 1, for 1 is 0, 1 is 0. For b bar it is 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 0 is 1, 1 is 0. A bar dot b bar, 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 0 equals 0, 0 into 1 equals 0, 0 into 0 equals 0. Okay, a plus b bar whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. These two are equal, that is LHS equal to RHS. Here the statement for De Morgan's first theorem is the product of sum of its complement is equal to the product of their complements. Sum of the complements is equal to the sum of the complement of the sum is equal to the product of its complements. Okay, it is a truth table for De Morgan's theorem, that is we have two input variable, and we have inputs like 2 power 2, that is 4 inputs, 0 1 2 3. Here we are using the code 2 1. For 0 it is 0 0, for 1 0 1, for 2 1 0, for 3 1 1. For the output a plus b, 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. A plus b bar whole bar equal to, it is 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. For RHS, a bar is complement of a, that is 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. For complement of b, that is b value, that is 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. By multiplying a bar into b bar, that is 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. Here both the LHS equal to RHS, so hence proved the De Morgan's first law. A plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. Complement of the sum is equal to the product of its complements. Next, De Morgan's first law in symbolic form. Here we have taken the NOR gate. We are giving the two inputs AB. We get the output y equal to a plus b whole bar. We can take the NAND gate also. We get the output a bar dot b bar, second one, equal to, here we are taking two NOT gates and one AND gate. Here we are giving the inputs that a to the NOT gate, that NOT gate input is given to the directly to the NAND gate, AND gate. B input is given to the NOT gate, it is directly given to the AND gate. That is a bar and b bar is the inputs for AND gate. We get the output a bar dot b bar. Okay, this is De Morgan's first law, symbolic representation. First one NOR gate, second one AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. Next, Venn diagram for of first law. It is simple to understand an identity by drawing Venn diagram. For example, De Morgan's first law, a plus b whole bar equal to a bar dot b bar. Also, it can be written as for a visual De Morgan theorem, A is completely filled by yellow color. For B, B is completely filled by yellow color. For A union B, both A and B are filled by yellow colors. For A union B whole bar, outside the two circles is filled by yellow color. Next, A is filled by yellow color, B is filled by yellow color, and A bar is filled by outside is filled by yellow color, and inside is, for A is filled by sand color. B bar, that is outside is filled by yellow color and B is filled by sand color. A bar intersection B bar is outside is filled by yellow color and both the A and B are filled by A bar and B bar are filled by sand color. Next, visual De Morgan, that is A union B whole bar equal to this diagram. A bar intersection B bar is this diagram. These two diagrams are equal. So here A union B whole bar equal to A bar union intersection B bar. De Morgan's second theorem. The complement of the product of the variables is equal to the sum of the individual components. Okay, the complement of the product of the variables is equal to the sum of the individual components. Please make a note of it. Most important one statement. This De Morgan's theorem can be come in your examination for 5 marks or 3 marks. It will be, so make a note in your notebook and also place star mark on that question also. Most important one. De Morgan's second law statement. The complement of the product of the variables is equal to the sum of the individual components. The complement of the product of the variables is equal to the sum of the individual components. The complement of the product of the variables is equal to the sum of the individual components. That is A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. That is De Morgan's second law. That is proof of De Morgan's second law is A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Here we are taking two inputs AB, input variables AB. So the inputs are 2 power 2, that is 4 inputs, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 decimal inputs, and for binary inputs, for 0 is 0, 0, for 1 is 0, 1, for 2 is 1, 0, for 3 is 1, 1. A dot AB is equal to, here output is AB, so 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, A into B whole bar is, for A into B we want to make the complement. So 0 is input and we get the output 1, 0 is the input, we get the output 1, 0 is the input, we get the 1, 1 means 0. For RHS, A bar is complement of A and B bar is complement of B. That is for complement of A, that is 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. For B bar, that is complement of B, that is 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. If we add these two complements, that is A bar plus B bar, we get the output 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, now LHS equal to RHS. So hence proved the De Morgan's second law, that is A dot B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. From this we can notice that product of the complement is equal to the sum of their individual components. Product of the complement is equal to the sum of the individual component, that is A into B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. A into B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Here A, B are the input variables. We get the input that 2 power 2 equal to 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 are the inputs. Here we are using the code 2, 1. For 0 it is 0, 0. For 1, 0, 1. For 2, 1, 0. For 3, 1, 1. A into B. For 0 into 0 it is equal to 0. For 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. A into B whole bar is 0 into 0, 1, 0 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 1, 1 into 1, 0. Okay. For A bar, complement of A, that is 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 1 means 0. For B bar, complement of B, that is 0 means 1, 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. A bar plus B bar, that is 0 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Here LHS equal to RHS, that is A dot B, AB whole bar equal to A bar dot A bar plus B bar. It is De Morgan's second law. Here it is a pictorial representation of the De Morgan's second theorem. Here we are giving input AB to the AND gate, we get the output AB. That AB is again given to the NOT gate, we get the output AB whole bar. Okay, we have derived the LHS, that is AB whole bar. Here we are using two gates, that is AND gate and NOT gate. Here AB is the input for AND gate and A into B is the input for NOT gate. AB is the input for AND gate, we get the output AB. AB is the input for NOT gate, that is AB whole bar. It is equivalent to the RHS, that is here we are taking two NOT gates and one single OR gate. Here input A is given to the NOT gate, we get the output A bar, and A bar input output is given to the NOR gate, OR gate. P is the input for NOT gate, we get the output B bar. B bar is given to the OR gate, we get the output that both the inputs are AB, A bar and B bar. It is the given as input to the OR gate, we get the output A bar plus B bar. Now the De Morgan's the second theorem is valid, that is AB bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Here we are using two input AND gate and one input NOT gate. AB is the input for AND gate, we get the output A into B. That A into B input is given to NOT gate, we get the output Y equal to AB whole bar. Now we are taking two NOT gates and one OR gate. A is the input for first NOT gate, we get the output A bar. B is the input for first second NOT gate, we get the output B bar. A bar is given to first NOT gate output. A bar is given as input to the NOT OR gate, and second output B bar is given to the input to the OR gate. Now the inputs for OR gate is A bar and B bar. Output for OR gate is Y equal to A bar plus B bar. Here LHS equal to RHS, so AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. So De Morgan's second theorem, that is product of its complement is equal to the sum of the individual complements. Summary. We have discussed about De Morgan laws, that is first law and second law. Next is applications. Simplify the following Boolean expression. Example 1, A plus B whole bar plus C whole bar. See, please write in your notebook, that is first Boolean expression. A plus B whole bar plus C. Please write down in your notebook. I will give you step by step. Please write in your notebook. First of all, we want to take out that complement separately. A plus B whole bar. By taking out the complement, that plus will be dot and C bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A plus B into C bar. Answer is A plus B into C bar. See, first of all, A plus B whole bar plus C whole bar is given. Now we want to take out that complement. So a plus b whole bar dot c bar, that is a plus b into c bar. Okay, a plus b into c bar. Now second one, simplify. A into b bar whole bar into b into a bar whole bar and total whole bar. See, it must be very easy, but you must have a glance of it. Now write that a into b whole bar, that is into is taken as plus, and now b into a bar whole bar. Now a into b bar whole bar is taken out. Now it is a into b bar plus b into a bar whole bar is taken out, then it is b into a bar. We get the output that a XOR b. Okay, all of you written in your notebook. That is given the problem is f equal to a into b bar into b into a bar, a into b bar whole bar into b into a whole bar. The total value is also get the bar. Now we are taking out that complement, then we get a into b bar whole bar. That into is taken into plus. Now b into a bar, that is a into b bar plus b into a bar, that equal to a XOR b. Final answer is a XOR b. Next, third one, a bar b into b into c and c into d bar. All of you write in your notebooks, and whole bar for all the expression. Now we want to remove that complement. Now a bar b into b bar into will be plus. Now b into c whole bar plus c into d whole bar. Okay. Now a bar dot b bar plus b plus b bar plus c bar plus c bar dot c bar plus d bar. Now it is a plus b bar plus b bar plus c bar plus c bar plus d. We know that a plus a equal to a. Here a means b bar plus b bar. That is a plus b bar plus c bar plus d. Answer is a plus b bar plus c bar plus d. Okay. Here we have used two types of laws. A bar equal to a. Okay. Next, plus is converted to dot and dot is converted to plus. Next, b bar plus b bar equal to b bar, c bar plus c bar equal to c bar. These are the items which we used here. Please make a note of it. Most important questions. Okay. Next question. Next, fourth question is also there. F equal to a bar dot b plus b dot c bar whole bar plus a dot b bar c dot whole bar. Now it is a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Plus is plus like that. Next, a bar dot b bar dot c bar. Now it is a plus b bar plus c plus a bar dot b bar is b and c bar. Now a plus a bar is, now we want to shuffle all the things. Next, a plus a bar plus b plus b bar plus C plus C bar, that is A plus A bar is 1 plus B plus B bar is 1 and C plus C bar is 1. Then we get the output 1. Okay, all of you write this one. Okay, completed. Next one, fifth question. Try yourself. I will also tell to you. Please try. F equal to x bar y z bar plus x bar y bar z. Okay. Find the inverse of the function. Here f is given. F inverse means f bar, that equal to x in x bar y z bar plus x bar y bar z whole bar. We want to shuffle that complement. So x bar y z bar whole bar into x bar y bar z whole bar. Okay, bracket is to be kept. Now we are taking single thing. Next, x bar bar plus y bar plus z bar bar into x bar bar plus y bar bar plus z bar, x plus y bar plus z into x plus y plus z bar. Very simple one. Please make a note of it. Here we are using the x bar bar, that equal to x. Next, plus is converted to dot. Okay. Next, sixth one. A into B whole bar into B into A into B whole bar. Next, it is taken as whole bar for the full expression. Next, we want to remove that bar complement. It is A into B bar whole bar bar plus B into A into B whole bar bar. Now it is A into B bar plus B into A into B whole bar, that equal to A into, we are taking out that bar, that is A bar plus B bar plus B into A bar plus B bar, that equal to A into A bar plus A into B bar plus B into A bar plus B into B bar. A into A bar is 1 plus A into B bar plus B into A bar plus B into B bar, that equal to 1. Now it is A into B bar plus A bar into B, that equal to A XOR B. Okay, it is a simplify the function. Please note in your notebook. Okay, seventh one, that is simplify and implement the inverse function with gates. Next, y equal to A bar B plus B bar A. inverse function is y bar, that is a bar b plus b bar a whole bar, that is y bar equal to a bar b whole bar into b bar a whole bar, that equal to a bar plus b bar into b bar plus a bar, that is a plus b bar into b plus a bar, that equal to a into b plus a into a bar plus b into b bar plus b into a bar, that equal to a b plus a bar into a bar plus b into b bar plus a bar dot b bar, that is a b plus a bar dot b bar, that equal to a XOR b bar. Okay. Next, realize the given function. Most important topic. Realize the given function using gates. That is, here given the function is y equal to a bar into b bar whole bar plus a into b whole bar. Okay. Here first the inputs are a b only, and here functions are directly, first two functions are a bar b bar and a b whole bar. It is like that of a NAND gates. So we are taking the NAND gates, that is first NAND gate, but input for first NAND gate is given with the help of the NOT gate a b, that is a bar b bar, we get the output. Next, second NAND gate is directly given, that is a b, we get the output, that is a bar b bar, we get the output, that a bar dot b bar whole bar, that equal to a bar plus b bar. Direct that equal to a bar b bar, here a b whole bar. We are given these two inputs to the OR gate, we get the output, that y equal to a bar b bar whole bar plus a b whole bar. Next, realization of the problem statement, that is read the statement of the problem carefully. Here now identify variables from the statement, write Boolean expression, realize the expression using gates. Here for realization of problem statement we have 4 topics. Read the statement of the problem carefully. First of all, we must read the statement of the problem carefully. Here we want to identify variables from the statement, write the Boolean expression, realize the expression using gates. Realize the expression using gates. Next, realize the problem statement with gates. Example, student is eligible to appear for examination if he has got minimum percentage of attendance and paid exam fee without fine within last date, or has paid exam fee with the fine within last date. Then write the expression for function y and realize using gates. Here solution, y is the output, eligibility to appear, 1 is eligible and 0 is not eligible. A is the attendance, 1 has required attendance, 0 means doesn't have required attendance. B, fee, first 1 means paid exam fee without fine within last date, 0 not paid. C, fine, 1 paid fine within last date with fine, 0 has not paid fine. Then we can write the expression as y equal to a into b plus b bar c, y equal to b plus a into b plus b bar c, y equal to a into b plus b bar c. Now here I want to develop the gate realization. Here I have drawn the diagram for the above expression, that is a is directly given to the NAND gate Now other two inputs B and C is given to the first B is given to as input to OR gate and B bar is given as input to AND gate. C is directly given to the AND gate. Now we get the output that B bar C, that is directly given to the OR gate and B is directly given to AND gate or OR gate. So B plus B bar C and A is directly given to the AND gate. So this output B plus B bar C is given to the AND gate. So we get the output that Y equal to A into B plus B bar C. Summary. We have discussed about simplification of Boolean expression using De Morgan laws. Realize the expression with gates. Write Boolean expressions for the given statement. Okay, these are the simple tasks we have learned today. Next quiz. X bar y plus x into y bar whole bar is same as. Okay, take notebooks. We will simplify this. That is x bar y plus x into y bar whole bar is same as. Simplify this. X bar y whole bar into x y bar whole bar, that equal to x bar into y bar, x bar plus y bar into x plus y bar x bar, that is x plus y bar into x bar plus y. Answer is x plus y into x bar plus y bar. B, x bar plus y into x bar plus y bar. And C, xy plus x bar y bar. D, none. Here we want to simplify it. X into x bar plus x into y plus x bar into y bar plus y into y bar, that equal to xy plus x bar into y bar. We know that x into x bar equal to 1, y into y bar equal to x into x bar equal to 0, y into y bar equal to 0. So x into y plus x bar into y bar, that is answer. Answer is 3. C, xy plus x bar into y bar. Now second one, x bar y plus x into z bar whole bar is same as. Okay, x bar y plus x into z bar whole bar equal to, now complement is removed, that is x bar y into x into z bar whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar into x bar plus z bar, that equal to x plus y bar into x bar plus z, that is x into x bar plus x into z plus x bar into y bar plus y bar into z, that equal to answer is xz plus x bar y bar plus y bar z. Okay, here A, x plus y plus z. B, x bar y z. C, x y z. D, x plus y bar into x bar plus z. D, x plus y bar into x bar plus z. Answer is D, x plus y bar into x bar plus z. Okay. Next, Boolean multiplication is same as. A, ending. B, ORing. C, both of above. D, none of above. Answer is A, ending. Boolean multiplication is same as ending. Next, simplify logic expression for this circuit. Simplify logic expression for this circuit. Okay, draw this diagram. It is A bar. Here we are giving the input B bar. It is A. NAND gate means A into NAND gate or NOR gate. A plus B bar whole bar. Okay, it is the output. Next, it is given to the another NOR gate. A bar plus A plus B whole bar. Okay, A bar plus ఇదేం చేయాలి? ఏ బార్ ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ ఇంటూ బి బార్ బార్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ బార్ ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ ఇంటూ బి, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ బార్ ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ డాట్ బి. బార్ వస్తుందా? ఓకే. నౌ ఏ బార్ బార్ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ బార్ బార్ బార్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి బార్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇంటూ బార్ బార్, దట్ ఈస్ బి బార్ బార్. నౌ ఆ బార్ ఈ బార్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. ఏ బార్ బార్ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి బార్ బార్ బార్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ బి బార్, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ప్లస్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి బార్. ఏ ఇంటూ ఏ ఈస్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఏ ఇంటూ బి బార్. Common this 1 plus b bar, that is a. Answer. Now a equal to y into a into b, b is y equal to a, c y equal to a plus b, d y equal to a bar plus b. Answer is b, y equal to a. Next, fifth one. Draw the diagram in notebook. AB, CD are the inputs to NAND gate. We get the output that AB bar, CD bar, and again it is given to the another one, that is AB bar into CD bar whole bar, that is Y. Y equal to AB bar bar plus CD bar bar, that is AB plus CD. That is answer is A. AB into CD, B AB plus CD, C AB bar into CD bar, D none. Answer is B AB plus CD.